So it's been a little while since I updated the stats and the analytics about Intuitus, so my app on the iOS App Store. And I thought that it would be a good idea to do another update as it's the new year. I can see what the standard is at the moment and how I can improve that through the next 12 months. So for next January. The last update I did was about a month or two ago. If I just get select on App Store Connect and it loads. Right, let's have a little look at what we're dealing with at the moment. So the stats at the moment have all been pretty good, they've improved. Again, not doing anything in particular, like marketing and stuff I didn't. I played around for a while with posting on Threads quite regularly, and that was okay. And a little bit of X posting as well, but I haven't done that since the beginning of the year. So everything's kind of flat and consistent, but I'm hitting sort of 90 to the lowest I've got is 49. So 49 is the lowest? No, 43. 43 is the lowest. And then everything else has been sort of just between that and the 100 mark, which I think is okay. Because I'm getting the overview, I'm getting 224 in a month, and then I'm getting total downloads is 60, which is much better. It's there's always been, apart from I think these two accounts on the 16th of Jan and on the 5th of Jan, I had 0 downloads. But other than that, every day has had at least 1 download. So it's between 1 to 4 downloads per day, which I think is great for considering how much marketing that I'm doing. Also, the other change that's happened so this started just as the year was coming to an end, end of November, beginning of December. I actually got my first subscriber. I've had in total 3, hang on a sec, no. I've had 2 subscriptions that have started the trial and then stopped. And then I've had 3 that have carried on. I've sort of accumulated 1 every 2 weeks or so. So at the moment, it's just creating very small amounts. The subscription is $1.99 and then £1.99, and it's consistent across all of the countries at that sort of rate, simply because I want it to be accessible, but also in the sort of MVP model that it is at the moment, all they're doing is literally I have data entry of different types, and you can enter and see that. To subscribe, you basically get all of that available on one page instead of having to flick between the two, which is just an extra convenience. So it seems that 3 people out of 5 have decided to go for that, which is cool. But what I'm planning on doing now in moving forward, I don't actually have necessarily a marketing aim right at this moment, because it seems to be performing, in my eyes, okay for considering what I'm doing. But what I do want to do is I want to make sure that out of 60 downloads a month, I want to be getting at least 1% of that to be subscribing for the Pro. So to do that, I need to add more features, and that's what I'm doing. I've got a new feature of a different type of entry that they're going to do, and I'm also going to try and streamline part of how you see all of that, and then also a widget that I want to make as well. Just these added features to bring in, and then I've got more after that, but that's going to be the main goal, and that's what I'm working on. So yeah, that's where we are at what are we now? 24th of January. We're sitting on that, and it's been improving. So let's see how I can get from now till the end of the year and sort of try and grow this app and make it into something that's generating me a decent income, but was obviously as well helping a load of people and a load of parents. So yeah, any tips or insights or anything that you see, let me know. And look forward to growing this.